Center north of Johannesburg. The three-day exhibition will focus on sustainable socio-economic transformation in Africa in the next 50 years. Johannesburg Mayor Parks Tau addressed the exhibition, saying that the city of Johannesburg is guided by the 2014 Growth and Development Strategy. Tau also called on the summit to enhance local government's role in Africa.
We gather here under the theme, Shaping the Future of Africa with the People, Africa's Local Government's Contribution to the Africa Vision 2063. African local government has an immense contribution to make in the realization of this vision as espoused in the African Charter on the values and principles of decentralization, local governance, and local development as adopted by the African Union. The Charter enjoins us to realize its 10 main objectives, 2 of which bear direct relevance to this summit. The first of these aims to promote, protect, and act as a catalyst for decentralization, local governance, and local development in Africa. The other aims to promote and champion local self-government and local democracy as the cornerstone of decentralization in Africa. It is our collective responsibility as organized local government to mobilize all national governments on the African continent to ratify this charter.
Meanwhile, Minister in the Presidency Jeff Radebe also spoke at the 7th AfriCities Summit. Radebe says policy changes will be necessary to address Africa's rising level of urbanization. The minister also says in recent years, Africa's economic growth has seen real GDP increases much higher compared to the 80s and the 90s.
This is a very important event that brings together local governments of Africa and development partners to jointly learn and to explore innovative solutions to improve the social and economic situations of the peoples of Africa. The previous 6 AfriCities Summits dealt with very important and pressing matters affecting development on the continent, including the financing of local government to fulfill its role effectively, building coalitions for achievement of common objectives, and unpacking the role of local government in connecting our people, the environment, development, and democracy to achieve sustainable development, amongst other objectives. This summit will provide a wonderful opportunity to assess the contribution of local government to the attainment of Agenda 2063, the Africa we want. The rigorous assessment of likely future trends and discussion of what needs to be done at the local level will ensure that we come up with robust strategies. And one of the trends is that Africa is urbanizing quickly. High levels of urbanization and concentration can lead to exponential increases in economic growth and development if positive energies of our people are harnessed and channeled in the right direction.
Waste management company Pick It Up has temporarily